Tucked away in West Richland's Heights at Red Mountain Ranch, this home is all about comfort, space, and that warm, welcoming feel. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home feels open yet cozy. The heart of the home is this spacious kitchen where there's plenty of room to cook, gather, and make memories. The living spaces flow effortlessly, leading to a primary suite designed for relaxation. A jetted tub, a generous walk-in closet, everything you need to unwind after a long day. Step outside and you'll find a backyard made for easy living. A covered patio for morning coffee, block fencing for extra privacy, and underground sprinklers to keep things simple. And just beyond your doorstep, West Richland's charm parks for weekend strolls, the Yakima River for kayaking and fishing, and some of the best wineries in the state just minutes away. Plus an easy commute to Hanford and the Tri-Cities, you get the best of both worlds. Peaceful living with everything you need close by. If you've been searching for a home that feels just right, this one might be the one, so let's set up a time for you to come and see it in person.